Hey guys, welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, we are going to share with you a unique and surprising method actually that you can earn money with a two-pilot system by using simple one trick. So you need to have a free time, something like 2 hours or 3 hours in a day, and you need to be consistent on the method. At the backside, you can see the result from that. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how you can promote CPA offers right here with CPA grab or using the offer vault. We have multiple offers in CPA grab and as well as an offervault.com right here, which will be all the CPA offers that you can simply see here, and you can simply promote that. Once you promote any offers right here, you grab, and you need to be consistent on the method. So if you work hard on this method or you consistent on that, at the backside of course you will see the results. So I'm going to share with you step by step that how exactly we can use and how exactly we can use this simple trick that I will share you, and how you can earn a decent amount of money from that. So my purpose is that to watch the video to the very end, to not miss any single part of the strategy, and to learn the whole method and the whole trick. At the end of this video, you can simply implement. At the backside, you can simply see the result from that. So we are going to share with you the CPA grab network that we can simply grab the offer from cpagrab.com, and we can just promote that, and you can also learn step by step that how exactly you can earn money from this specific strategy. So let's not further waste the time and jump straight into the strategy. If you want to have a decent amount of money and a two-pillar system, then also check out the first link and full training and the first link in the description of this video, and you will have a comprehensive training that you can learn from A to Z and a two-pillar system that how you can make money online exactly and the right way right here. But in this video is absolutely free. You just need to watch and take action and be consistent and have a free time for that. At the backside, you can see the result from that. So the first step is that you need to sign up or log into your account right here. Once you log into your account, before logging into your account, you need to register. So once you register, and you can simply log into your account. Once you log into your account right here, then you can simply just see the interface something like this, that all available countries will be available and all the offers are available right away here, that you can simply see here. There are multiple and different offers right here available, that you can simply choose one of these offers right here. But the main thing in CPA offer is that you need to have uh, the offer, and you need to have the exact traffic for that, because every offer is not working for every country right here. For example, if this is the offer right here, so this offer is only available for the United Kingdom, means UK right here. It is available, and those people, whenever they sign up, you will earn the money. And this is another offer for France actually, that you need to have a France traffic for that. And there are multiple offers, like this one is right here for Canada actually, that if you need to have, if you have already the traffic for Canada, so you need to promote this offer right here. So in this video, we are going to share with you the United States offer right here, that we can simply go to the country section and then select the United States right here. So once we select the United States, so all offers from the United States will be available right here, and we can simply see here, for example, act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. This is only for PayPal right here. Act now for a 500 Wayfair gift card right here. So these are the different gift cards for the United States right here, that people can sign up, and we will earn the money from that right away here. For example, if this is $1,000 PayPal gift card right here, if you are promoting to someone right here, you just need to click on this offer right here, and this offer will be available right here. So the first step is that you need to have the US pre-traffic for this one right here. So what we need to do, we can simply just copy the main link from here. Once we copy the link, we can simply promote. Whenever people click on that, so they will just visible, this interface will be visible for them, and they can simply submit their email. So once they submit their email or zip code right here, so we will earn the money from this, and they will move to a lottery section actually. So if they were lucky, so they can also win this right here. So they are not spending the money, we are not spending the money. So they will choose their luck actually over there inside of the lottery, and we will earn this amount of money from them not actually for them right here, from the company right away here. So the first step is that copy the link from here. Once we copy the link, then we can simply go to TN URL, bit.ly URL, or any URL shortener. We can simply go there and we can simply paste the link and then click make TN URL right here, and that will be shorten the link right here, as you can simply see here. Then you can simply just copy this link from here, and this is a shortened URL that you can simply promote anywhere you want. But it will be better if you use a free landing page such as Linktree or any other one. So it is also a good idea if you can do that. So once you copy this link, then you can start promoting. The next and final step for us will be that we can simply go to the free traffic source right here. So the free traffic source would be the Craigslist.org.com. But remember, we are using a special trick right here that we can simply use. We are not using the same way like we were using previously. So we have totally different way right here. So we can simply go to the Chicago Craigslist.com. You need to search in the search bar or the Google, for example, Chicago, then dot, then Craigslist, then org. Okay, so the complete URL will be Chicago Craigslist.org. Okay, so once you tap in the search bar, you will be visited this page right here, chicago.craigslist.org. Once you come to this page right here, so this is the main website that have a lot of traffic to this website every single month. According to the similar web, if we can just calculate right here, so 281 million people are from all over the world are coming to this website. 281 million people, and most of the traffic, like 93% of the traffic, is coming from the United States right here. So this is the best opportunity for us that we can simply promote a US CPA offers inside of this website right here, chicago.craigslist.org right here. Once you visit to this page right here, the next step for you will be that you simply scroll down to the bottom and you will see a resume section right here. Just click on the resume. Once you click on the resume, you will be visible to this page right here that you can simply see here. There are 319 people that they are looking for a job. It is not only these people. If you just click on the next, you will see more people, hundreds and thousands of people. You can simply see here they are looking for different jobs right here, and the Chicago area or in the Chicago state right here. You can see multiple people right here available. So what we need to do, we can simply just directly contact these people right here. For example, general laborer work. Okay, for example, looking for SD in Chicago, team driver, CDLA job, OTR. Okay, IT professional, weekend welding work. Okay, so these are all the people that they are looking for the job, and they need to have a job right here. Or even we can simply just go to the search bar and we can simply just type, for example, work from home. Once we type work from home right here, then we can simply search right here. Once we search, we will see different people that they have posted their inquiries or their requirements that they are looking for the job. For example, this is the first person, April 6, means just yesterday he has posted right here, I'm looking for a work from home sales jobs or sales opportunity, city of Chicago right here. Okay, means it is a US person right here seeking work from home. Okay, means looking for or searching for work from home job. Okay, this is another one. So you have unlimited people right here. If you can simply see here, there these are not the only people that you or the only keyword that you need to use. You can simply see here, I need a job, I need a work, I want work, I want job. For example, how I can find a job, how I can find a data entry job, how I can find online job, something like that, how I can work from home. So these are the multiple keywords that you can simply search in the search bar right here in this website, and then you will see the different results right here. So once these individual people, you can simply contact them right here. So this guy is not in Chicago or directly in Chicago. He's not written, but might be he has written an area in Chicago. But it doesn't matter. These all people are in the US, and we need a US traffic for this reason right here. So what we need to do, we can simply just click on this right away here. Once we click on this right here, we will see this page that this guy is having the title and the description, and he is telling people that we need a job right here. Okay, I'm looking for a work from home sales or job or sales opportunity. Then he mentioned again here where I can be in my own boss and work independently or on telecommunicate or something like that. I have strong work ethic. So he is written all the things right here at the bottom. He also mentioned that any people can contact me or something like that. As you can simply see here, 13 hours ago this guy has posted and he is looking for the job right away here. So what we need to do, we will have the option right here, reply. Okay, so you just need to click on the reply section right here. Once you click on the reply section right away here, for example, you just click on the reply button right here, you can simply see here that show email. Just click on this button. Once you see on this button, then you will have selected all the email address for that. You just need to copy this right here. So this is the main trick that you need to use consistently, and the backside you can earn money from that right away here. So once you just copy this link from here or this email address right here, so this is a special email address for this guy that it will go directly to his or her inbox right away here. So we can simply copy that, and then we can simply go to our inbox or our email right here, and we can simply just paste it into the section of to, okay, means to the person right here, and we can simply have the title, for example, anything that he is looking for. That, for example, you can simply just copy this title because he's looking for a sales opportunity right here, and you can simply type here your work from home sales job or sales opportunity, and then you can simply just write something very accurately, some text, something like, for example, in a catchy description that you can just uh, tell people that you will have this job or this opportunity for you. For example, I just written this one right here. Due to the COVID-19 crisis, many people from all over the world, especially Americans, have lost their honorable jobs, and many people struggle like you to find a suitable job for their living. What we can do for you and other Americans is provide you with PayPal gift card to solve your daily problems, and that will be a small portion of our assistance with you because of the pandemic. Feel free to apply for a free PayPal gift card. Here, any help or further information is required, please contact us. And then at the bottom, you can simply tell them thanks, okay, something like that. And here you can add your link right here. So the link that we have just shortened with here, and then we can simply copy that and just paste it right away here. Okay, so once we paste our own link right here, so what we need to do, we can then simply just copy this text from here. Okay, we can also copy this text from here because we will send to multiple people right away here with other title or any other opportunity that they are looking for that. So once you are done with that, then you simply click on the send button right away here. So the email address will be just sent to them. You see, it's already sent, and then you can simply click on the compose again right here, and then you can simply add or send another message to another person right here, and then you can simply just go back right here and then simply just click on the back side and then click any other one. For example, this one is seeking for work home, and this is another one. Just click on the reply button right here and show the message right here, and then copy this link from here or the email address. You simply just copy. So it is a completely copy and paste work. You just need to do a write one email address, sorry, one email body right here, and then you can send to multiple people right over here. So this guy is seeking work from home and Chicago right here. Okay, let me just copy this one, the complete things right here. Okay, oops, okay, we have just incorrectly passed. We can simply paste it right here. Okay, and then we can simply just send again to this guy also. So the more messages you have sent to more people, the more money and the more opportunity will be for you to just do it and make more money from that right here. So this was the easiest way that I was about to share with you in today's video, and you will definitely like that and you will be interested with that right away here. So if you want to have a further more details and more information and a pre-comprehensive training on a two-pallet system to make money online, check out the first link in the description of this video and you can learn from A to Z that how you can make money on a two-pallet system. So hope you like that and you are interested with that. If you like it, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification into all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So till next brand video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.